Do you want to know how you can delete the demo account in Metatrader 5? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Use Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete the demo account in Metatrader 5. Go ahead and open Metatrader 5, which is on your phone. You can see that this is the home interface. What you need to do to delete your demo account is click on the three lines on the top left hand side and click on Manage Accounts. Next is to click on the three dots on the right hand side and you can see Delete Account option. Go ahead and click on Delete Account and it will ask you if you really want to delete your demo account. What you need to do next is click on Next or Yes, and you can see that your account has been deleted. You don't have to worry because this is only your demo account. You can create a new account anytime by clicking on this plus icon, choosing the broker, and logging into your account by keeping your credentials. So guys, this was it for today. This is how you delete your demo account on Metatrader 5. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.